How to set any video as a live wallpaper on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set any video as live wallpaper, first of all head over to your gallery of photos or open your camera. Now take the live video that you want. For this, make sure you toggle on the live option which is on the top right corner. Once you have taken the live photo, head over to the photos section and then tap on the share icon which is on the bottom left. Tapping on it, scroll down a bit to see the option of use as wallpaper. Once you tap on use as wallpaper, you will see your live video or photo in the wallpaper section. Make sure you toggle on the option of live and you will see the motion on the screen. Next up, tap on the add button which is on the top right corner, and this way you can set any video as live wallpaper on iPhone. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.